Hi guys, it's Christian Chu and I'm back for the last pit stop of our Sun and Fun Camp here at Robinsons Galleria. We started from Robinson's Place Novaliches and Robinson's Place Ermita. Now we're here still in celebration of Robinsons Supermarket Sun and Fun Fair. Before anything else, thank you so much for joining us in our journey throughout the Sun and Fun Fair live series. It's been really fun being on this road trip with all of you and sana maulit ito soon. If it's your first time following us with our Sun and Fun Camp, of course may recap tayo. Our Sun and Fun Camp has been roving sa iba't ibang Robinsons Supermarket branches and today, we will be doing that here sa Robinsons Galleria to give lucky shoppers a chance to win summer kits. Paano nila mapapanalunan ito? May trick questions lang naman kami na napakadali. If you can answer correctly, you can take home one of our summer kits right here. Robinsons Galleria, are you ready? Sun and Fun Camp, let's go! Hi ma'am, sir, magbigay po ng isda na nag-uumpisa sa letter P. Letter P, sorry. Yes.
Pompano?
Pompano is correct. Dahil dyan nanalo ka ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you so much. Hi sir, kung ang unan ay pilaw, ano naman ang ulap? 5,
Cloud.
4. Cloud is correct. Dahil dyan nanalo ka ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you so much. Hi, saan humihinga ang isda? 5, 4. Gills. Dahil dyan, okay. You win a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you so much. Hi! Sobrang init ngayon, pero ang tanong ko, saan ang bansang land of the rising sun? 5. Japan. That is correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you so much. Ilang mata ang meron ng octopus? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi! Ilan mata ang meron ng octopus?
Dalawa.
That is correct! Dahil dyan, nanalo kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Hi, ma'am! Magbigay po kayo ng tatlong hayop na may shell.
May shell.
Yes! 5,
Kabibi.
4, sorry?
Kabibi po. Tuso.
One more! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm so sorry, but thank you for trying. Hi sir, magbigay ng tatlong hayop na may shell.
May shell?
Yes, may shell. 5.
Crab.
Crab, okay, that's right. 2 more.
Snail.
Snail, that is correct. 1 more. Kaya mo yan. 5.
Shrimp.
Shrimp is correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo ka ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next. Ang galing nila. Ito. Hi, ma'am. Kung ang pang-apat na buwan ng taon ay Abril, ilang buwan naman ang meron ng Earth? 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Hi! Kung ang pang-apat na buwan sa isa taon ay Abril, ilan namang buwan ang meron ang Earth?
Ilang buwan?
Yes.
Ate, you wanna answer?
Wanna answer?
One.
That is correct. Dahil dyan, you guys win a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you. Good job, babies. Hi, ma'am. Kung ang Tagalog ng mother ay nanay, ano ang Tagalog ng feather?
Balahibo.
5. Balahibo. Magaling. Dahil dyan. Nagulat mo kayo. Hi. I have a question. How many P's are there in the word pineapple popsicle?
4?
But the correct answer is 5.
Just one. Yeah, okay.
That's okay. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
trying.
much.
Thank you. Oh yeah, where are you from?
I'm
guys?
from Indonesia.
Alright, hi.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Yes.
joining us.
Welcome.
Alright. I see. Target locked. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Ilang P ang meron sa pineapple popsicle? 5, 4, 3, 2, 5.
Pineapple?
Yeah, pineapple popsicle. 5, 4, 3, 4, 3. Your answer is
No. 5.
3.
The total is 5.
Wow! The correct answer is 5. Correct! Because of that, nanalo po kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Mahirap yung tanong natin, no? Hi, sir! Sir, may tanong lang ako sa'yo. Anong S ang help sa Tagalog?
Anong is?
Yes, ano sa Tagalog ang help? 5, 4, 3, 4,
Health?
3.
Tulo.
S nga eh.
Sa klolo.
Alright, dahil dyan, you in a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket.
Thank you.
Hi, sir! Kung ang sawa ay snake, ano naman ang asawa?
So, I sneak.
5. Wife! Dahil dyan, sir. Sure ka ba, sir, na wife? Hindi snake? Joke. Parang hindi sure si kuya kanina. Si sir kanina. Hi, sir! Kung ang English ng... alright. Hi, ma'am. I have a question for you. Hi, ma'am.
Hi po.
Hi. I have a question for you. Kung ang Tagalog ng sun ay araw, ano naman ang asan? 5, 4, 3. Where is correct? Dahil dyan, you win a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Where are you from, sir? Can I ask?
Solomon Island.
All right. So give me food from your place that has a word sun in it.
Sunflower seeds.
All right. That's correct. 2 more. I want to give it a try.
Sunshine milk.
Come on. 5,
Ay.
4, 2.
Sunny sweet coconut.
All right. 1 more.
And
2.
sunflower.
Alright, sunflower seeds if you... Hi sir, can I ask you a question? Kung ang Tagalog ng shore ay dalampasigan, ano naman ang Tagalog ng shore? 5.
Sure?
Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Like, are you sure? Anong Tagalog ng shore?
Sigurado?
Sigurado? Sigurado ka na?
Sigurado.
Okay, come here. You win a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Yay! Thank you. Hi! Can I ask you a question? Anong vitamin na nakuha sa sun? 5,
Vitamin C. D?
Lahat na ano to? Multivitamin. Hi, ma'am! Ano pa? Pwede kayo manalo ng summer kit. Anong vitamin ang nakukuha sa araw?
D.
Vitamin D. Nanalo kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Your
Thank
answer
you.
is correct. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ayun. Pwede kayo manalo ng summer kit, ma'am. Sorry. Hi, sir. Kung ang merienda ay kinakain sa hapon, anong oras naman kinakain ng hapunan? 5, 4, 3. Gabi? Dahil dyan, nanalo kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Hi, sir! Magbigay po kayo ng street food na may itlog.
Street food na may itlog.
Yes.
Kwek.
Kwek. Dahil dyan, your answer is correct. Nanalo po kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Yay! Thank you! Kung ang Tagalog ng light ay ilaw, ano naman Tagalog ng lightning? 5, 4.
Kulab.
What? Sorry?
Kulab.
Kulab? No, that's wrong. Where's your kuya? Kung ang Tagalog ng light ay ilaw, anong Tagalog ng lightning? 5, 4, 3,
I
2,
forgot.
1. Hi. I have a question for you. Kung ang ilaw ay light in English, ano naman ang lightning sa Tagalog? 5, 4,
Tiklaw.
Kidlat. Is that the correct answer? Yes, that's the correct answer. Dahil dyan. Don't be shy. Come on, say hi. Alright. Dahil dyan, nanalo kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket.
Thank you po.
Alright. Hi, ma'am. Magbigay ng 3 citrus fruits. You fun fun. Hi, ma'am. Pwede kayo manalo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Magbigay lang ng 3 fruits na citrus.
Orange,
Orange. Pomelo.
and
One more.
dalandan.
Dalandan. That is correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons
you very
Supermarket.
much.
Yay! Magbigay ng ipon na hindi lumilipad. 5.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, that is correct. Thank you so much. Kung ang sea ay dagat, ano naman ang dalampasigan? Kung ang sea ay dagat, ano naman ang dalampasigan in English?
Sure.
Sure. Are you sure?
Sure.
Because of that, nanalo kayo ng sour cake from Robinsons Supermarket. Yay! Hi. Can I ask you a question? You can win a sour. All right. How many Sundays are there in a year?
I don't know.
How many Sundays are there in a year?
Sunday.
Yeah, 5, 4.
52.
Whoa, how did you know 52?
We have 52 weeks.
Oh my God, that's correct! Dahil dyan, you win a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket! Yes! Hi ma'am, may tanong ako sa inyo. Nagulat po kayo. May tanong lang ako sa inyo, kung ang tag-init ay summer in English, ano naman ang tagyawat? 5, 4, 3. Hi ma'am! May tanong ako sa inyo, kung ang tag-init ay summer in English, ano naman ang tagyawat? 5,
Pimples.
4, oh, pimple. Ang galing mo doon ha. 4, oh, pimple. Correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo ka ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Hi, ma'am. Ilang mata ang mayroon ang sunglasses? 5.
Dalawa.
Hi. Can I ask you a question? Ilang mata ang meron ng sunglasses? 5, 4.
Dalawa?
Wala.
Ay, wala.
Dala ka sa lamin ka. Ilang mata ang meron ng sunglasses? 5.
Wala.
Wala. Sure?
Wala.
Okay, dahil dyan, you win a summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Magbigay ng bagay na laging basa. 5, 4.
Bakit?
Basahan.
Paano pag hindi pa nagamit, hindi tuyo yun? Bagay na laging basa. 5.
Tubig.
Up tubig. That's correct. That's correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo ka ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket. Thank you. Hi, ma'am. Can I ask you a question? Ilang R ang meron sa Robinsons Supermarket? 5,
Ilang
4.
R?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
10?
Oh, no. Hi. Can I ask you a question? Hi, sir. Can I ask you a question?
Oh, sorry. Thank
Alright, alright. Ilang R ang meron sa Robinsons Supermarket? 5, 4, 3,
I don't know. 3?
3 is correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo po kayo ng Robinsons Supermarket Summer Kit. Thank you so much. Hi, ma'am. May tanong ako sa inyo. Nagulat po kayo. Ano ang perlas ng silangan?
Philippines.
Philippines ay ang kanluran. Joke lang, your answer is correct. Dahil dyan, nanalo pa kayo ng summer kit from Robinsons Supermarket.
Are you sure?
Yes, you did.
Oh
You got the
my!
correct answer.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I feel like
Bakit naman?
Kasi you're so, I miss my children.
Aw,
I saw you
that's
parang,
so sweet.
parang anak ko kayong lahat. But the only thing is, as if you're my children, but I don't know your father.
And that's it for our Sun and Fun Camp adventures here at Robinsons Galleria. Sa lahat na nakakuha ng ating summer kits filled with best summer essentials, congrats sa inyo, and I hope you all enjoy your goodies from Robinsons Supermarket. It's been a blast hanging out with you guys sa ating road trips and pit stops here at the Sun and Fun Fair live series. Unfortunately, this is the last of our Sun and Fun Camp dates. But I hope to be back soon to see you guys again. Thank you so much, Robinsons Supermarket and Robinsons Galleria. See you guys soon.